Check valve. Check valve used on single direction. This kind of valves is closed by medium pressure. Check valves are used to prevent medium backflow or reverse working of the pump. This valve adopts disc twist type. Valve close lie on basic gravity and counterflow medium. Swing check valve is usually installed horizontally to the pipeline, which is small volume, lightweight, fast motion, tiny flow obstruction, and a good sealing capacity. The main technical specification of check valve: Design Standard API 6D, BS 1868, GBT 12236, DN 2 inches to 40 inches, DN 50 to DN 1000, PN Class 150 to Class 1500. Body material: carbon, stainless steel, alloy, etc. Swing check of VARC has the following advantages. 1. Valve design manufacture is according to API 6D. Full port. When the valve is in the open position, the lowest point of disc is higher than low median, which avoids the pressure loss. 2. Full carbon steel material valve. The seat is forged, high density, good sealing capacity. Sealing face use 13CR or stellite hard alloy material. Overlaying net thickness is over 2 mm. Valve seat is threaded or welded on valve body, easy to maintain and disassemble. 3. Disc and hinge have bolt-type design. Disc can be a little bit moved, making sealing face automatically centralized. Hinge is strong enough and position limit is set to prevent overposition of the disc. Disc and hinge is connected by nut. The nut has a pin. 4. Hanging system is set. Disc rotates to the hinge, which hangs inside the cavity. Hinge does not have to go through valve body to avoid leakage. Hinge is fixed inside the body. This makes it easy to realize sealing. 5. Adopts bolted bonnet structure. The fastener uses high-strength screw, thick hex nut, which makes sure of the safe and reliable connection. The choosing of sealing gasket is according to differential pressure. Soft graphite twist stainless steel wire is used or octagonal ring gasket to realize good sealing. 6. Hanging position on top of the valve is convenient for lifting, transportation and installation.